Board exams, two of the most frightening words of a student's life. As you work for the whole year to get good marks in the board exams. Board exams are almost round the corner. It's very important you get few things sorted in your head. I am going to boil down into a list. In this video, you will get the last minute suggestions which are required to tackle board exams effectively without any hassle. Don't study too much before the day of exam. Start studying in the morning and try to complete your revision within 9 pm or 10 pm. Don't start watching TV or play games on phone directly. Go to your bed, turn off the lights and sleep. Wake up early in the morning and revise some important points and formulas for maths. Then take a bath and have your breakfast. Then leave for the exam. Don't forget to take your admit card, pen, pouch, writing board and important stuffs. When you arrive at the center, don't discuss topics with your friends. Just be in your car, or if you are coming by public transport, then stay somewhere alone and self-revise yourself, because if you start discussing questions with your friends, then someone will mention a question or topic which you have not studied and it will increase your anxiety and stress. Always try to stay calm before your exam. Try to reach the exam center before half an hour and don't be late. Try to visit your exam center 2-3 days before your first board exam, because then you won't be in trouble finding your exam center during the first day. After getting your exam paper, read the question paper thoroughly and mark those questions which are familiar with. First, try to do the questions which you know very well and left the ones which you don't know for last. Try to attempt the whole paper. Don't leave a single question, just try to write something related to that question. Try to complete the whole paper 15 minutes before the ending time. Don't discuss the paper with your friends, because if any answer comes wrong, then you would start worrying and it will affect your upcoming exams. Be calm and stress-free. Don't worry, everything will be fine. You will rock your board exams and pass with flying colors. Avoid junk foods these times. All the best and give your 100%. Thank you for watching. Love you all.